Hi everyone. So lipsticks are an essential to every girl's wardrobe. I feel that once you dab on your lipstick, even on a drab face, it just brightens up your face very well. They are essential for all of us, as I said. So starting from now, I'll be doing a series of certain of my favorite lipsticks that I consider the best lipsticks for the price that they are on offer. So I'll be doing all drugstore lipsticks only. They'll be under 1,000 rupees for sure. So basically, starting today, I'll be sharing with you the best red lipsticks, nudes, pinks, and berry reds, because berry reds are a rage these days. So I'll just start from today. So the first one that I'm wearing is the e.l.f. lip gloss. It's actually not a lipstick, but it's a lip gloss. But as you can see, it is very well pigmented. I have only applied the lip gloss. I've not applied anything else. So this is the e.l.f. lip gloss which is there. I'll just show you. This is the e.l.f. lip gloss. The one thing that I really like about is the pigmentation. It's a little glossy right now, but you can make it matte, of course. And the second thing that I really like in the packaging is actually, why is it not coming out? Yeah, the applicator. It has a flat applicator. It's not very similar to the applicators that we have for lip glosses. So it's a flat applicator which makes application on lips very easy. So I'll just swatch it also for you guys. Look how pigmented it is. It is hardly a lip gloss and actually more of a lipstick. You can see it on my lips as well. It's giving a very nice red color to it. Also, it's moisturizing my lips. I'm not feeling that my lips are getting dry. So that's why it's one of my favorite favorite go-to for red lips, I can say. It's not a lipstick, of course. Second one that I have in red lips is MTV Mua in the shade LS09. So here's how the lipstick is. This is 2.5 grams of product. This is how it's looking on my lips. This is a very good red lip with a little bit of pinkish undertones, but if it stays for more than let's say 15-20 minutes, it turns very red in color. The pinkish undertones actually go away. So I'll just show you the swatch. This is how the swatch is. So I really like the MTV Mua by Blue Heaven lipsticks. They are very well pigmented. They have a longevity of 1 to 2 hours, which is also decent because of the packaging. You can easily carry it in your pocket. I've carried it in my jeans pockets as well at times. And well pigmented, they're very good value for money as well. So that's why I really love them. So this is my second favorite. Third favorite of mine is actually a season favorite. It is Scarlet O'Hara by Sugar Cosmetics. This is how the packaging is. I guess we have all seen it many times before. This is how it's looking on my lips. This is a pretty good scarlet color. I love it. I love it to bits. This is my go-to color also. Whenever I need red lips and I'm unsure whether I'll be able to carry them or not, I use this lip pencil and I'm mostly able to carry it. So let's call it that way. I will just swatch it also. So here is the swatch. Now in terms of texture, I somehow feel that MTV Mua lipstick is very similar to the texture of Sugar Cosmetics, though the pigment is not very well and they are not that long lasting. These babies are really long lasting. They are my go-to ones, all 4 of them, all 4 shades. I love them to bits. So this is how it's looking. This is my third favorite. The fourth one is a lipstick by Body Shop. This is, as you can see, a very hot red kind of a color. This is shade number 101 in their range Color Crush. So this is how the shade is looking. This is how it's looking on my lips. Red with orange undertones. Very warm, very warm hue to it. I'll share the swatch also. You can see the swatch. As you can see, all 3 of them are reds, but they have a little difference between them. I really like it how these companies create some difference in their shades, because it's really small, but it is there and it makes a difference to your look as well. So this is the fourth one. Creamy, balmy, moisturizing. I guess I've said it all before. These lipsticks are like my go-to lipsticks. Whenever my lips are getting dry, this is what I apply. So like the longevity is 1 to 2 hours because it's pretty creamy and balmy, but whenever I need moisturizing, or my lips are getting dry and I still want to apply color, this is what I use. So this is the fourth. Fifth one is actually one of the first red lipsticks that I had started using when I had started using makeup, of course. Please pardon me if the area around is looking pretty red, because I was removing the lipsticks and then reapplying them. So please pardon me for that. So this is the shade Lakme Absolute in the shade Red Hot. This is how the shade is looking. It's a very good brick red kind of a color with copper undertones to it, as you can see this on my lips as well. This is pretty red. I don't know, on the camera it's looking maroon, but on my lips it looks pretty. I'll actually swatch it for you, because on my lips it looks quite deep red kind of a shade. So these are the 5 swatches. This swatch of course has got a bit wrong. This was for Lakme Absolute, as you can see. So these were, this is how the 5th one is looking again on my lips. So these were the 5 lipsticks that I really love. All of them are under $1,000 as I mentioned. I'll link down the prices below as well as the shade names. So this is all that I have for the red lips. I'll keep on continuing with nude pink and berry red lips. So this is all that I had today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.